Hi, this project is the demonstration of Airport Network Flight Scheduler. In Flight Scheduler system, passengers can get information about flight timings. This system provides information whether the flight is on time or not and also provides other flight related information. In this system, admin will enter the detail about flights and its timing, and these details will pass through the internet server and is fetched by the system on other airports. And there will be another system which will show flight information to the various viewers on airport. Second system will get information of flights. This system will automatically select the data that refers to particular airport and shows the information on screen. The system works like when flight is departed late from an airport, admin will enter details about the departure and its time. This information goes in real time on internet server and retrieved on other system through internet server and shows the detail on screen. This project publishes real-time flight schedule events to subscribing multiple client applications. Let's see how the system works. There are two people who will log into the system, who will be the admin and the supervisor. Let's see the admin module. Admin will enter his ID and the password in order to log into the system. Let's enter the admin ID and the password. Once the admin logins to the system, these are the various options he can access through. Let's see the flight details module. Here, the admin will specify the flight details by specifying the source, destination, airlines and all. The flight number is automatically generated by the system. So here, let's enter the source and the destination name, destination airport name, as well as the airlines. Here the admin will specify the departure timing as well as the arrival timing. Admin will specify the halt station as well as the halt timing as well. If there is any flight which will halt at any station at any airport. So let's specify the halt station and halt time. The halt time will be the arrival time at a particular halt airport. So the system will calculate the total duration from the source to the destination. So this is the duration which will be displayed by the system. It will be automatically calculated by the system itself. So once you click on to the submit button, these details will be submitted and these details will be stored in the database and will be shown to the particular destination places. Let's see another module, airport admin information. Here the admin will enter the supervisor details and the ID will be automatically generated by the system itself, and once these details will be submitted to the database, system will automatically generate some password and it will be sent to the respective supervisor's mail ID. Here the ID is automatically generated by the system. You will specify the name, airport name, mobile number and as well as the email ID of particular supervisor. Let's see the view flight details. Here the admin can view various flight details of whatever he had just specified. The flight, here he can view the flight number, the source, departure as well as the destination and the arrival timing as well as the airlines. If there is any halt station, it will be shown over here. This is how the admin module works. Let's see the supervisor module. Supervisor will log into the system using his ID and the password. Here, the airport flight scheduler system will be available on different airports. The supervisor on different airports will use their respective ID and the password in order to log into the system and to update the flight timings. Here, I will use the Chennai location ID and the password. This password which he got on his email ID. So let's enter the ID and the password. So once I log into the system, once the Chennai supervisor logins to the system, these are the various options you can access through. Let's see the flight delay details module. Here, the supervisor can view various flight number, the destination place, as well as the departure and the arrival timing. So now I'm going to update the delay timing of this particular flight number. So once I click on to the yes button over here, I can see the flight details as well as I can enter the delay timing if it is any. So suppose if I'm updating the flight delay is 1 hour. So this detail will be updated and will be shown to the particular destination place. So over here the destination place is Goa. Since I have updated the flight delay timing of this flight number 1009, so let's log into the system by using the ID Goa Airport's ID and the password. So once the supervisor in Goa Airport will use his ID and the password and will log into the system. So over here, when he clicks onto the flight timing, so you can see over here the delay timing updated by the Chennai supervisor. He can view that details. So the particular flight is delayed for 1 hour and it will be shown over here. This is how the supervisor module works. Let's see the arrival and the departure module. These two modules can be viewed by the passenger of the airport on particular airport. So let's click on to the arrival module. Here the passenger can view the various flight arrival timings by specifying the airport as well as the terminal. There is no data for that particular flight. So over here, these are the flight available for this airport and the terminal. Let's see the flight departure module. Over here, the passenger can view various flight departure timings by specifying the airport as well as the terminal. There is no data for this particular airport. This is how the airport network flight scheduler works. Thank you.